Sup, peeps?
What up, Kraken? What up, Kraken?
Hey, guys, it's Ryan.
It's Kyle.
So today we received a package. We talked about what we were going to talk about before we started to hit play, but you know.
She's probably used to me taking over the whole thing. But.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
So we received a package, and instead of Kyle doing his typical cooking video, we decided that we were going to do a taste test.
Because you'll understand more once you see what we're doing.
Yeah.
That was in the package.
Yeah. So who did we get the package from?
Package came from the Healthy Homestead Chick.
What?
If you guys don't know her, y'all know better recognize and go remedy that out. And the Healthy Homestead Chick is actually the lovely wife of His Way Homestead, also known as Commander Bacon.
The better half.
The better half. The better half of the... You just said Commander Bacon's the better half.
No. Healthy Homestead Chick.
Shelly, you got permission to call her and then scold her.
No, that's not what I was saying.
Anyways, we have received jellies. These are made fresh from her garden.
Yes. So what kind of jelly is that one?
So she has sent us, we've already been into it, strawberry jalapeno.
Why are you flipping everybody off?
Because you're jealous, aren't you?
Stop it.
A cinnamon sriracha.
It's really good.
And a satsuma.
Satsuma.
Oh, satsuma!
Wow. Maybe it's kicked off YouTube for that one.
Yep.
Okay, so...
We got told that once we eat this, we'll never touch an orange again.
Yeah, so it's essentially an orange. So how we like to eat our jellies is a toasted bagel with some cream cheese.
Oh man, but you can have it anyway. You put it on crackers, bagels, toast.
Peanut butter and jelly.
I've done peanut butter and strawberry jalapeno, which is fire.
Jellies, I like to have cream cheese.
Yeah. So anyways, let's check it out, man.
Yeah. Which one we're gonna start with?
Let's do the cinnamon sriracha. We gotta save the most awesomest for the last. Because we know the strawberry jelly. God dang. That was sealed quite well.
Okay. So, cinnamon sriracha.
Cinnamon sriracha.
It's really good. Huge fan.
We, fortunately, got to hang with these two during our month-long trip. And during our visit, they had us try a bunch of these jellies. So...
I'm so glad that they, didn't send us the ones that we tried there.
Yeah. You don't need to send us the garlic one at all. Ever. Oh my God.
That's so good. I mean,
you know, you guys wouldn't think.
There is cinnamon, so you have that cinnamon explosion in your mouth. But it's so good.
You guys would not think that those two would be a combination of any sort. Mm-hmm. But when I tell you, man, a peanut butter cinnamon sriracha sandwich, boy. Mm-hmm. Okay. Satsuma. Ooh. Very orangy.
All right, clean your palate real quick. Get a drink of water.
We gotta get that flavor out so we can properly palatate the next jelly.
Palatate. Felix.
That's another KR term.
Felix, palatate.
Palatate. Ooh, chunky. There's yours. It's very, I mean,
as you can
it's
tell,
almost,
Kyle doesn't do little portions of anything.
It almost looks like it's got some orange zest in it.
We're hoping that this tastes really good.
Or Satsume. Oh my Lord.
Yeah?
Very citrusy.
I wouldn't say very. I mean, it's very good.
As it sits there.
Mm-hmm.
And it culminates in your palatate. Very citrate and deliciate.
Felix, I need you to get him.
Definitely recommend Satsuma. All right. Best for last.
This is
Strawberry jalapeno.
one of my favorites. Strawberry jalapeno or mango jalapeno jelly.
We found some at our local food
Farmer's market
one time, and we haven't been able to find it again for a while. It's almost like it became one of the most popular ones, and it's gone.
Yeah, mango jalapeno.
All right, strawberry jalapeno. Ooh, it's got big chunks of jalapeno in it. It's drippy. It's got beautiful chunks of jalapeno. They're not really big. It's almost like she ground it up really good. But the fact that you can see it.
I'm sorry. That's my ultimate favorite. No question about it.
You got a beautiful
delicious
flavor of strawberry and that heat from the jalapeno right behind it. You couldn't ask for a better combination of sweet and spicy. That's good Lord Almighty.
So good.
We'll have to put a standing order in for this, that's for sure. Oh my Lord.
So those are the three that we got.
Now, if any of you ever watched His Way Homestead, he's got that surprise jelly cracker tasty thing that he does. And they put together some very interesting combinations.
So we'll drop a link to when they did that for us. And then we'll also drop a link of our time with them, so you can kind of see the garden for yourself. But yeah, absolutely.
Oh,
These
definitely
were
recommend it. If she could,
amazing.
I think that she should bottle these and sell them the local market. I think they would be outrageously and fly off the shelves.
Huh?
Fly.
It's okay. We still love them.
Anyways, we appreciate you guys. Definitely, if you do not know Healthy Homestead Chick or His Way Homestead, please go check them out. Absolute blast. People they're so awesome.
Yep.
Absolutely so awesome.
So make sure to stay tuned for next week's cooking video. Not sure what kind of this is, but I'm sure it'll be tasty.
I'm working on a few recipes. So we're hoping to go kind of a different route, stuff I haven't done before. So with that being said, we appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Deuces.
Deuces.
Love you.
Bye.